Okay, so we finished shooting today. Now it's time to clean everything up. We've done a lot today. Hey guys, and good morning. So, oh my god, it's very bright. So it's Friday today. We're shooting again. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that I've done. Here. So I've just got this shelf kind of styled. I mean, a few things will probably have to be moved just so you know. Because see, I think this will be too dark here, on camera when it's shot. So a few things will probably have to be moved around when if the angle and everything is sorted. But I think it's really cool. I'm gonna maybe add something there, just to support the books. But I could probably come at this, because it's this chair that we're shooting. So probably maybe something like that. So I have to put something maybe here, so it looks like there's another room almost here. And yeah, this is behind the scenes of the exciting world of styling. And I'm going to Galway this evening and I'm very excited about that, so I'll check in when something else happens. Yeah. Oh, so I'm here with Tara because it's dark.
Okay.
Okay. What are we doing, Tara?
We're going to the cinema.
How do I turn this on? Oh, that's not very good. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Where are we going, Tara?
Cinema.
Cinema. Woo woo. Oh, that's probably not the best thing. There we go. Yeah. Woo. And we're going to get into Marks and Spencer's and getting Percy Pigs. Woo. Okay guys, so we just came out of the movie.
It's good. In depth.
It was interesting.
Yeah.
We're going to count so I can.
It was very long.
Yeah, it was actually. Yeah,
I went to see The Invisible Man.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what we went to see, in case you're wondering. It was good. It was it was really fucking
full of twists and turns.
Yeah.
It was good though.
I didn't see the brother part. I didn't see that coming. Oh yeah. No. Spoiler. Spoiler alert. Yeah. And now, guess what we get to do now, guys? We're gonna drive all the way back to Achill.
Yeah. God.
It was busy. It wasn't actually busy in there at all. It was very quiet, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Very quiet.
Because that deal isn't on.
Oh yeah.
The 2 tickets.
Yeah. How annoying is that? A Friday. At least you didn't do it on a Friday evening. At least. Fair enough, Saturday because that's obviously the busiest night. But Friday. I feel on a sugar high. I ate a lot of them Percy Pigs.
Did you?
Yep. I did. Still some more left over. I need some chewing gum or something. I like popcorn, you know, the saltiness. I don't like it. It's too much. You look like you're
Rex. I was gonna fall asleep in the cinema. Honestly, the parts that weren't scary, I was dozing off.
Oh god, okay, right. I'll talk to you soon.
Did you do that? It hurt my brain.
Oh gosh. Tara, is this even finished? So we just had food. Where did we go, Tara?
We went to the Amethyst, as usual.
Yeah, it was delicious. Oh my god, hiccups now. I got a dessert and coffee.
Oh, sorry, I got me. I got vegetable soup and a drink.
What drink?
What was that?
Yummy. And
What was that? Because I had a hard night. I was working and I was jealous of everyone drinking. So I said, why don't just have one today?
But Tara wanted to get in on the fun. Yeah.
Because honestly, I'm absolutely loaded now, so I can't even.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'll just keep going.
Yeah, well my hair's a mess because the wind is crazy.
We're gonna go to the beach now.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
I can't see because my hood is away from.
We're gonna go to the beach. Oh, I might ring Bella.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make some sandcastles. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of raining.
Do some sand angels.
Some what?
Sand angels.
Oh.
It's like a really weird weather today, guys. It's like rainy and then it's sunny.
Why are you talking like
Because you were talking like that.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
Right, saying what? Saying fucking what?
You said, so we're gonna go to the beach.
I didn't say it like
yes,
that.
you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
I said,
did.
so we're gonna go to the beach.
Yes.
I didn't say it's like rainy and like.
She's
Would you
so
rather eat
excited.
a baby goat or a matter baby?
I know this one.
Oh.
What's the matter, baby?
Nothing much sugar. What's the matter with you? What's the other one?
Oh, what's it? Like, touch your toes. Go again, touch your
That's
toes.
a terrible one. Spell run.
Oh, what was the handshake one that we done? Remember?
Oh yeah. No.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! Look at that.
let's
But
do
it
it.
goes to the music. Where's the song?
Oh yeah.
Pause that. Slide behind. Wait.
Oh.
It's meant to be like.
Oh, okay.
So that no, wait. Oh yeah. So do. No, it's not high five. And then you go like that, and then you go. Don't do it yet. It's.
Okay, so what? Hold on. It's. Okay. Let me just twist. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. Is it?
Wait, give me. Ready? Why is it? Ready? Don't do this. Oh, we did it!
Okay.
Oh, finally!
Successful.
First try.
Yeah, that was our first try.
When I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right.
Very windy here today. It's just a lot, like a lot. Did you know that? In the Winstep vlog. It's a lot. I finished up my meeting. I dropped my car off to get fixed. I got actually a really cool car for like tomorrow. So I pick it up. Like I don't even want to give it back. Like wait, I'll show you like tomorrow. But I just got some food. I got a vegan spice box, right? Delicious. And I also got like, I said loose falafels, like it literally came at one, which is kind of annoying. But like, it's fine. It's the car I get to drive for today. It's like so cool. And yeah, this is it. Oh, I mean, I was driving back last night and I was like, would I get something like this? But like, to be honest, I prefer mine. I don't know, it just feels like this seems very like small or something. And also like, I think I've been through too much now with my car to like want to change it. Like it's not even focusing. So you have to drive back up now tonight with this and get my car back. So I'm excited for that. So yeah, at least it's not that Toyota let's drive last time my car was getting fixed. So I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm coming at you from this angle. I'm going out tonight. So let me just rotate you just a tiny bit more. Okay, so I'm going out tonight. Like, it's just a crazy time at the minute. Okay, so I have this. I don't even know what it is. It was this thing was called like Shiraz or something. It was in the fridge in the laundry room, so like it's obviously not being used. So and my wine isn't cold yet, so like I'm just gonna drink this in the meantime. So it's kind of like a taste test, isn't it? Like it's like, oh, cheers, or cheers. Okay. It's not bad. It's like it must be rosé, but like it looks like cranberry juice. But like anyway, so I'm going in with my BB cream. I'm gonna put this on and maybe talk to you guys for a bit. Just like about life and stuff. I just put a post there on YouTube, just kind of explaining like what is going on. Oh my god, my skin is actually atrocious. Like, it's not even funny. But you know what? Do I care? No, it's fine. Because it's not that important. I mean, there's more issues in the world right now. Like, hello, coronavirus. I love this stuff. I definitely recommend this, guys, if you're looking for a really good lip balm. I definitely recommend the Fenty Beauty lip balm. It's so good. Okay, now my hands are covered in BB cream and nothing. Oh my god. I've had a drink in like so long. Oh my god, it's well overdue. Well overdue. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up my outfit. I was looking actually, because it's my birthday next month. I don't know if you know this, but I was looking for a gift to buy myself. Even though I just bought myself like new shoes today, but like I want to like get something like, you know, really good. So I was looking at this necklace. It's from Swarovski. You know I love Swarovski. But like I wanted to buy myself. Yeah, well, I bought myself my first crystal bracelet, but I want to buy myself a chain. Like this chain, guys. Oh my god, like it is so stunning. So like that's pretty expensive. So I mean, will I get it? Maybe not. Depends where I am next month, because who knows where I'll be next month, like whatever that's going on. So I might be somewhere beginning with a G, or I might be still here. Who knows? But I'll check back with you in a minute. And this is the finished look. I mean, like, do I love it? No, but like, you know, will it do? Yes, it will.
Waking up anew.
Hey guys, so I'm driving home from work. All the stores are going to be closed now for the next 4 weeks. I don't know where I'm going to be for the next 4 weeks. I haven't really heard much. And to be honest, I'm kind of scared. Like, not gonna lie. I wasn't at the start because I was like, you know, I'm not scared of the fact that like of getting it. I'm not scared of getting it because if I get it, it's fine because I'm healthy. I have a good immune system. I don't have any underlying illnesses. I'm still gonna keep myself isolated. I'm gonna stay away from other people, like obviously, but like I'm not scared about that part. It's the part of like, oh my god, okay. One second, guys, I have to come back in a minute.
Wasting time is all I do.